Yeah, what's good, people? How are we doing today? Hope we're good. Basically, this is another video that covers the activities for the week, just like last week. So, if you were able to backtest with us inside last week, you would have noticed that the plan basically for this week was to just look for opportunity to sell on USD card, and also while on GBP USD, the plan was also to buy and not to sell on GBP USD. You get like on GBP USD, we are going to just buy, and on a USD card, we are going to just sell. So let me take you through the YouTube channel. So basically, some of you have been telling me that I cannot locate your YouTube channel anymore. So basically, it is no longer F rich uncle underscore trader. It is now fx dot rich uncle. It's now fx dot rich uncle. So basically, this is the video of last week. That's this one, day in the life of a trader. Backtest gold and USD card with me. So basically, this is the video. And while I was breaking down the video of last week, let me play it so you can see. Yeah, guys. Yeah, which they also what it's like technology, yeah, like my activity. So these on GPU giving us the idea that we're going to sell. So that goes the video on USD card. So basically it's just about what we're going to do. So you can just go and check it out and get one or two from it. So let's just go back to the chart. Basically, this is another week. And the plan for this week basically was to just sell USD card, was to sell USD card basically. So that's just it, sell USD card. So there was basically no opportunity to sell USD card. There was basically no opportunity to sell USD card. Remember I spoke about this software I'm using to backtest last week. So in case you haven't gotten it and you feel it's important to you, you can just go get it, okay? It's free, actually, it's free. Um, so basically this was last week Friday. Let's go back, let's go to the higher time frame. So basically, this everything that happened inside this new week. Market opened with a gap, a very big gap. Market opened with a very big gap from here to here. Can you see this over 50, 100 or 200 to 300, 300 pips gap? So now, basically, if you've been trading for a while, you already understand the importance of gap in the market. Gap simply means orders were so much in the market, of which converting those orders and putting them in new week bring about some glitches. Now, whenever you wake up to see gap in the market, simply means there's a lot of money to be made within a short period of time. You get so as you can see, when the market open with gap, it was a very good opportunity to make crazy amount of money. Yet, but from the way I trade, I had to get some elements in order for me to join the trend. So the market opened with a good entry for me to sell, but there's no place to keep my stop loss. So for that reason, I cannot take any trade on Monday, of which I know for sure 60 over 100% the market is going to drop to cover up this gap. This gap that is here, this 150 gap, is going to drop. And as you can see, the market did exactly that. So I'm using my replay to currently get, using my replay to currently. So let's play price forward. So let's say waking up, seeing this, there is a good entry, but there's no room for stop loss. This is it, but there's no room for stop loss. I used 15 pip stop loss here. I normally use 15 pip stop loss. on USD card, and we only trade A plus setup here. So there was good entry, but there's no place to put my stop loss. So I had to like forget about it and let others that have opportunity let them use it. Get so let's put price forward. The goal was to cover this gap in the shortest period of time. The goal was to cover the gap from here to here. At least that was the goal from here to here to cover this gap basically. So that was just like what the market was going to do, and those experienced traders already know. Yeah. So let's just keep going. Can you see? Can you see? So the market was supposed to cover the gap. Good. Now that's all. That's all for Monday. And you can see that's all for Monday. So the gap has been covered. Now it simply means the market's balanced. But now what will still be the plan for the week? The plan for the week is to look for opportunity to sell. Now on the next day, there was still opportunity to sell, but I had no entry, so I could not do anything. I just had to wait. Yes, so let me quickly change the line. Sorry guys, I'm back. So as you can see, I'm back. And so that was just basically what happened. Next day, the market this is like lower low, lower high, lower low. So this another lower high. So the market keep thumping down, keep tanking down. Okay, keep tanking down, but there was still no opportunity to sell. And now most of you will be like, most of you will be like, yeah, but there was space now. Why are you not selling? This lower low, lower high, lower low. Mm-hmm. Lower high. Why are you not selling? I have specific time to enter this market and specific time to get out from this market. Now, there are other people with different kind of strategy that within this period of time here, they have entry confluences for them to take trades. For me, I don't. And I'm not pissed about it, but I got it the direct I predicted the direction, but I wasn't able to join the trade, the trend. I don't get pissed off about it. Because over the years you get better about doing these things and you understand the importance of following a trading plan so that when you take a loss, you know that okay, I did everything right, but the market decided to humble me today, basically. So you just know that okay, that's how it is. This is on Wednesday. This is a low. This is a high. So there's no trade for us on Wednesday. Let's see if there's a trade for us on Thursday. So we can join. Like, can you see how very patient this is? Yeah. One, two. So now on Thursday, this market is pulling up. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Now, there are two things I check out. This is a chart pattern of W. Simply means the market is going to buy. I don't trade chart pattern of W anymore. Then I did. So this will have been an entry for me. But I know this market is extremely bearish. So I should not be looking for any opportunity at any point to like go and buy, get. And perhaps aside of that, there was entry. Let me see. There was entry for a sell, but the market is already reversing back. There was entry for a sell, but the market was also reversing back to retest this zone at least before continuing its overall movement. So once you see these things, you just know, get. So let's pre-price forward and let's see how far this thing has happened. Guys, can you see what happened? This was a reversal pattern, impulse, retracement, impulse. Now, on getting to this zone, can you see, on getting to this zone, some people call this place fair value gap and the like of those. So they'll put their stuff here like this. Fair value gap, put their stuff here like this. Like this. Enter this market from this place. Enter this market from this place and target the overall level, something like this. Can you see? So this is a good trade, but I don't trade this way. There are people that trade this way, so this is an opportunity for them to short the market. All right, so let's go. This is on Thursday. The market is already selling downward. This signifies that we did the right thing, yeah. And now on Friday, on Thursday as well, there's still entry for sell, but there's no proper structure for SL. There's no proper structure for SL. If I'm to take this trade as a sell, this will be my SL. But it is like an impulsive. There's no pullback to continue going down, so I cannot risk it. You get there are systems of doing things here. Cannot risk it. It's an entry, a very sharp one at that. Can you see what happened? Can you see what happened? If I had entered this for a sell, if I had entered this for a sell, the market would have wiped me out. Let's say using 15 pip stop loss. See, the market would have wiped me out. Now, most of you will be like, yeah, why would the market wipe you out? This is easy. You get this previous low, this is the real lower high. You get this is a low. Now, there's no proper lower high structure to maintain that, okay, we'll keep going down. You get, mind you, the market has been trending downward with good volume for about 3 days. You get 3 days straight up. Now the market needs room to breathe, at least maybe to this point or this point at least proper in order for us to continue selling. If there would even be any selling opportunity, you get. So for that reason now, you cannot just come and say, okay, everything is in alignment. I will just say, just keep taking losses. You get. So for that reason, I knew that okay, this is on Thursday, so this is on Friday now. Yeah, the market started retracing backward on Wednesday evening, giving us an impulsive, and this is like a correction, an impulsive. Maybe once we get a double top here, we can start selling downward. But for now, the market is retracing backward and looking for opportunity, looking for liquidity to drive it downward. You get. So basically, that's just how to keep it simple and while maintaining your principles, your 100% steez and composure. You get. That's what you need to be and maintaining your 100% steez and composure. These things you just learn them over the years if you decide to like do. So as you can see the stupid market. It's still so though, because that's the overall direction the market is supposed to go to, yeah. But those that sold earlier, it has taken them out. Why? It's because they're in a hush, they're in a hurry. You get in this market, you have to calculate everything. Like everything needs to be calculated, you get. But and secondly, even if you sold and you took a loss, it's not bad thing at all because of trading based on a trading plan. Get. So it's all further ado. This brings us to the end of this backtesting section. Now, what will be the plan for next week? Most of you will be asking on USD card. What will be the plan for next week? We have we have we'll see maintain our plan for next week, yeah. If you can see, this is head and shoulder pattern. This is head, left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. You get. So now there's still opportunity for this market to do something like this, go back up again before going down. There's still opportunity for market to just keep go back up again, then still going down. There's still opportunity again for this market within the week to push back up a little, then go down a little, go down. There's still opportunity for this market from this point like this, just keep going down. So basically, the plan still remains selling USD card aggressively. Get, but Wednesday we should be having CPI news. We should be having CPI news on Wednesday. Let me see. Yes, core price index. We should be having CPI on Wednesday, 2:30 p.m. Yeah. So basically, we should be having more consolidation before CPI, or the market should be buying, then CPI is going to make it sell. So now, what is the benefit of you that have stayed to the end of this video? The benefit for you that have stayed to the end of this, I need to explain to you how to understand news trading so that you can use it also as an arsenal for your trading career as well. So now, what does this mean? This is previous report was 0.2% on the USD. What is the forecasted percent? 0.3% on USD simply means they're expecting USD to become stronger by 1%. You get, that's what they're expecting. So now, if USD news comes out and this maintains 0.3%, USD would buy while GBP would sell. You get, then this price monthly index 0.4 previous, forecast at 0.3. Now this monthly report forecast that we are expecting we're forecasting a stronger USD. Sorry, we're expecting a lesser USD here on this report. Then this what's it called? CPI yearly report. 2.9 was the previous, 2.9 was the forecast. Simply means price is going to be stable. At the same time, it can be that price will be consolidating or price will still maintain its current place. So now what are we going to do? On USD card, overall structure is still bullish. If you can see, the overall structure is still bullish and price has been consolidating heavily. Where is my okay? Overall structure, let's go down to the higher time frame, please. As you can see here, on USD card, overall structure is still bullish, but current structure is bearish. You get, because this is the lowest point of this market. This has broken this low and created this high. And from this high now we have gotten back to this zone. Overall, like this market is consolidating. You get, it is two things. Now this market has gone to the highest point and is coming back down. You get, so now USD, we are expecting a weaker USD and a stronger Canadian dollars. So now, regardless of whatever happened on Wednesday, you should be looking for opportunity to sell and not buy. But now it can play in two ways. The market can decide to buy, coming back to tap into this zone, then at the same time keep going back down. You get, but at this point, the market has gone to the highest point of price on USD. So I'm not expecting price to break above this place anymore. I'm expecting price to, in its own way, sell. You get, in its own way, I'm expecting price to keep selling and not to buy. But even if you buy, it's coming back to correct itself down to the zone, then sell. So using the news now, we're expecting a strong, weaker dollar and not a strong dollar here. Expecting a weaker dollars. So whatever happens here, I'm expecting negative here. So we can also sell together. At the same time, I'm expecting positive on GBP. I'm expecting positive on GBP. Yeah, so this is GBP USD. This is the lowest point. This is the highest point. This is a correctional move. Impulsive. This is a correctional move. So it is two things. I'm expecting price on GU to either come back to this zone because there's an opening here to correct itself, then keep surging high. But if I'm to do anything on GU, I'm not selling. I should be looking for opportunity to buy. You get on GU, we only buy this week. Now, inside the week, we took a trade on GU and we took a loss. This is an impulsive move. Yes, mate. This is an impulsive move. This is a correctional, impulsive, correctional, impulsive. Now there was room to sell, but I have no plan to sell GU this week. Yeah, I'm looking for opportunities to buy. So now this is a correctional move. This brings about a new low prior to this one. A new low. Now this is an impulsive move. It's a correctional move. Expecting a more impulsive move. So I took a buy on GU. Guys, so sorry that this video is becoming very long. Yet I needed to like clear this so that we can be on the same pace. Yeah. So I took a buy on GU, and here is it. I was stopped out. Then the market went to my direction using NFP. You get using NFP. The market went to my direction. You get, and this was on Wednesday. This was on. So this was on Friday. So I got a very good entry, but there was no solid structure for this stop loss. Market took us out and went to our direction. One is to four, but it took us out prior to now, basically. So that's just what happened for this week. Now, this new week, what are we expecting on GU? On GU this week, we're expecting CPI to take the market down, then continue going up, or take the market up from here. On USD card, aggressive sell. Now, let's move to gold. Let's move to gold. Gold on Monday. On Monday, we are looking for opportunities to sell to buy, but there was no opportunity. But the market bought on Tuesday. On Tuesday, opportunity to buy. There was no entry. Wednesday, we got opportunity to sell gold. We sold. The market gave us like one is to 2.8. The market went back and take all of us out and went to our direction. One is to four. And that's fantastic. So the rest of the week I just left it because I was looking for opportunity to buy and not sell. Yeah. So on gold currently, what am I looking for? Gold is at its all-time high. So I'm looking for opportunity for us to push it back down. Gold should be selling good for CPI. Sell good for CPI. Yes, I'll be sharing to this zone, then to this zone. We should be selling good for CPI. That's just basically it. So guys, if you enjoy this content, kindly like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends. Thank you so much for tuning in. I love you guys. Have a good weekend.